box, Alice? Are you in your box?
Are
you going for a spin in your box? Try and do the math thing as well.
Yeah.
No!
Where are you going? Strange noise.
Whee! Now look, Alice. Hi, in your box. Hello. You in your box? What are you doing in your box? Now we go backwards. So do you want to go onto your mat? Now you're going to go onto your mat.
Likes this better. Jump for it. Is there still time coming up in
Yeah.
that 30 seconds? Still nearly over.
Whee! Where are you going?
Hold on now. It's going to get rough. It's a rough crossing. Hold on. Oh, we're all over. There's more.
Yay!
Hold on now. It's going to get rough. Yeah, this is getting a bit.
Oh, you're going back into your box again. Do you want to go back in your box?